If you want to hide likes on X, formerly known as Twitter, and make your activity more private, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need to change. Now, just a quick note before we begin, X does not give you a simple, direct button to hide every like from everyone in the same way you might expect, but you can improve your privacy settings and limit how visible your activity is. So in this video, I'll show you the steps you can follow inside the X app to update your privacy and safety settings. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look for the More option, usually shown with a menu icon on the left side. Tap More to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, security options, and privacy settings. Next, tap Privacy and Safety. Inside this section, you'll see settings related to your posts, tagging, audience controls, and activity visibility. Now scroll or look for the section labeled Your X Activity. Under that, tap Audience and Tagging. This area is important because it controls who can interact with your account and how public your activity appears. To make your account more private, toggle on Protect Your Posts. When you turn this on, your posts become protected, which means only approved followers can see them. This is one of the best ways to reduce how visible your activity is on X. After you enable it, X may ask you to confirm the change, so just follow any on-screen prompts that appear. Once that is turned on, go back and review the rest of your privacy settings to make sure your account is configured the way you want it. If you want even more privacy, you can also check who can tag you, who can mention you, and who can discover you through your phone number or email. The more you tighten these settings, the more control you have over your presence on X. So to recap, go to More, then Settings and Privacy, then Privacy and Safety, then Your X Activity, then Audience and Tagging, and finally turn on Protect Your Posts. That's the main path to improving your privacy and limiting how public your activity is on the platform. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.